Welcome back to the news about nursing. My name is Christy Finley, and today I'm going to inform you on how music can connect in the nursing field. I'm going to cover 4 topics and scenarios to help you understand these topics. And these topics that I'm going to cover are going to be: first, we're going to start off with the very beginning, where nursing students use music to help them get over nursing school. My second topic is going to be how nurses use music to help patients. My third topic is going to be about how nurses and doctors use music in their work lives. And my final topic is going to be how music can help connect nurses and healthcare workers to their patients. Now stay tuned to hear all about how music can connect into the nursing field today. On our very first topic, we're going to talk about how nursing students can use music to help them. I found it very important to start here because this is where nurses now, like today, started using this to help them through nursing school, and they continue to use it in their everyday jobs. I'm going to first give us a short scenario on how it helped a specific nursing student, and then I'm going to go over all the information that goes along with it. Scenario number 1. Adam is a current nursing student at Jacksonville State University and is very stressed all the time. But he has found out that listening to classical music while studying helps him. He has also found out that listening to rap, pop, hip hop, or just classic rock motivates him before taking an exam. And welcome back. So here's some facts to go along with that scenario that I just gave you. So music helps nursing students relieve stress and anxiety. And that is very common in the nursing, as you're going through nursing school. Stress and anxiety kind of just happen because you have a lot of upcoming tests and they're very important. Music is proven to motivate, focus, de-stress, and help people out of depression. And it helps them 25% out of depression. And that's a very common thing in nursing school because it does get very stressful. It also helps with thinking skills and social skills, which some people may struggle in nursing school. So that's really great as well. Now we're moving on to topic number 2, about how music can help patients recover. Here's the scenario. Scenario number 2. Nurse Karen is a pediatric nurse at the local hospital. She has a patient that has a mental disorder and freaks out every time that she tries to give him his insulin shot. Nurse Karen has figured out that playing children's music before giving the patient his shot calms him down and lets her give him his shot. As in a scenario that you just heard, music is obviously proven to help de-stress patients and put them in a calm state, especially mental patients. It can also reduce anxiety and pain. Music therapy is a very, very well-known tactic in the nursing field to help with patients with anxiety, with mental disorders, or anything to help the nurses do what they need to do for the patients. It is also very helpful in childbirth. There's a lot of music playing to help calm the mother and the baby. And it's proven to help actually regulate someone's blood pressure. It's kind of crazy, but yeah, music can do a lot of things to help calm a patient down and help the nurse do the job they need to do. Now we're moving on to topic number 3, how doctors and nurses can benefit from music. Here's the scenario to go along with it. Scenario number 3. Nurse Luke is a surgical nurse at the local hospital. He is in charge of many things, including playing the music for which the doctor listens to. He has figured out that the doctor that he's a surgical nurse for likes to play heavy rock when he's tired, but he also likes for Luke to play classical music for when he really needs to focus on an important surgery. Music with doctors and nurses is a very common thing. Doctors and nurses use these for many different reasons, mostly during surgery. So during surgery, a patient might even hear the music playing as they're being wheeled into the surgery room before they're put under anesthesia. Doctors and nurses do this to keep them calm, and the patient calm especially, to keep the doctors and nurses awake and to keep them focused. There's many other different reasons that they might do this, but those are the three main types. It also helps them during stressful situations because as being a nurse and a doctor, you no telling what's going to happen, especially in an operating room. So it really helps them stay calm, focused, and get their job done the way they need to. Now we're going to move on to topic number 4, which is our final topic on how music can help nurses and patients connect to one another. Here's the scenario to go along with this topic. Scenario number 4. Nurse Sandy is a local nurse at the local nursing home. She has been having trouble with giving some patients their medication. And she has noticed that every morning they sit in the living room area listening to gospel music. So one day she decides to listen with them and connect with them. After this, she has noticed that the patients are actually listening to her more and now taking their medication. Music can help people connect many different ways. It can help them connect spiritually, as it did in the scenario before. It can help them connect emotionally, and music can even help nurses and families connect if a patient is in a state where sadly they can't be responsive. As I've said before, music really decreases stress and depression, and if you can connect with somebody, you can connect with them and make a mutual bond over this type of music. As you can tell from these 4 topics and scenarios that I have provided you throughout this video, there is music everywhere in the nursing field, even starting when you're a nursing student. Without this, there would be a great deal of depression, anxiety, and stress. Even in operating rooms, it helps. And that's great because doctors really need it. Without this music, it would be hard for nurses to excel in their careers and in nursing school. Music really helps the nurses in their everyday lives. And my name is Chrissy Finley, signing off with news about nursing. Have a great day.